guys, today we complete the last part of digestive system. Okay, let's go. What is the last part of digestive system? It's large intestine. Large intestine. Do you see large intestine? Do you see it? Large intestine. Okay. What is the large intestine? It starts from the end of small intestine. It starts بيبدأ from end of small intestine and end with rectum and anus and end with rectum and anus. Okay, definition of large intestine is it starts from the end of small intestine and end with rectum and anus. Okay, what is the function of large intestine? What is the function of large intestine? It stores the wastes. stores بيخزن wastes الفضلات. It stores the wastes to eject outside through anus. It stores wastes to eject outside through anus. Okay, لتطرده خارج الجسم outside خلال الانس. The large intestine consists of rectum and anus. Okay, what is the function of rectum? Rectum تمام المستقيم rectum الفانكشن بتاعته absorbs water from wastes. absorbs water from wastes بيمتص الووتر from wastes الفضلات. اوكي، يبقى الريكتوم الفانكشن للريكتوم absorbs water from wastes. اوكي، now we end and finish the digestive system. Okay, and we will study how we keep the digestive system healthy. How? Look with me. Look at this. There are 5 advices. Okay, you have follow it to keep the keeping the digestive system. Okay, عشان نحافظ على digestive system. Number 1, chew the food well. Number 1, chew the food well. لازم نمضغ chew the food well. نمضغ الطعام جيدا. chew the food well. Okay. Number 2, don't eat food has a large amounts of fats. Don't eat food has a large amounts of fats like fat meals. Okay, or fast meals. Okay, الوجبات السريعة. Don't eat much food that have large amounts of fats. Okay. Number 3, don't eat food has flavor additives. Don't eat food has flavor additives. ما نتناولش الطعام التي تحتوي على المواد الإضافية، ألوان الطعام أو مكسبات الطعم أو اللون. تمام. Don't eat food have flavor additives. Number 4, don't eat food from streets. Don't eat food from streets. Why we don't eat food from streets? Why? To avoid harm diseases. To avoid harm diseases. كي نتجنب الأمراض المؤذية. To avoid harm disease. Okay. Number 5. Make sports. We must make sports. Okay. Why? To keep your body fit. To keep your body fit. Okay. Now I wanted to tell you activity. It tell us how the fat convert fatty emulsion. ازاي الفات الدهون convert بتتحول لفاتي emulsion. Okay. Look with me. Number 1, you put oil. Okay, oil on water in a glass. If you put oil in a glass, what happened? Oil doesn't mix. Oil doesn't mix. If you put drops bile juice, okay, bile juice, العصارة الصفراوية. If you drops bile juice on a glass, on oil and water, okay, what happened? Oil and water mixed. Oil and water mixed, okay, and forming emulsion. يبقى هيختلطوا ويكونوا emulsion مستحلب. conclusion الاستنتاج هنستنتج من كده ايه؟ bile juice breaks down fats. bile juice breaks down fats. تمام، بتكسر وبتهضم الفاتس البايل جوس. انتو بتحولها convert small particles. بتحولها small particles أجزاء صغيرة that dissolve in water. بتذوب في الواتر forming fatty emulsion. تمام. Now we end the lesson and I hope you study hard, study well, and listen carefully to all videos. And if you have any question, let it in the comments and I will answer it later. Don't forget give me like and subscribe in my channel, and God bless you. Goodbye.